Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So you can see here guys what we have discussed about commodity in crude oil. I have told you exactly this is the trend line. If this will consolidate or break from here, so you can see that exactly broken from here only at beginning only and taken exactly support. You can see that our first target reached, second target reached, third target reached, all three target has been reached. After that only you can see that double top has been made, and after this low has been crossed, you can see that here only we have shorted our position and our SL with this top high. You can see that first target, second target, third target, all three target we have achieved. No doubt guys, we have made a huge amount of money. From here also you can see that next position will be here somewhere. You can see that exactly taking resistance. From here only we have considered, and you can see that how nicely we have captured this move also. Hope you have captured this whole momentum guys. Very big and huge momentum we have captured. In upside also we have captured, in downside also huge momentum we have captured in crude oil guys. So we can see the next analysis is gold analysis guys. What we have discussed exactly that only happened guys. You can see that I have told you this is the trend line. This is right now it's broken, and if it will came downside, then exactly it will take resistance from this trend line. Then only you can go for your first target easily. We have reached, second target also reached, third target also reached. Okay guys, here only you can see that strong buying has been came. After that, first time, second time, third time, three times it continuously has been tested. So four time it will be broken, exactly tested. You can see that once again huge momentum we have captured. So from here only I have not exited my position. If you wanted to make a fresh position, so you can made here also a fresh position, and you have made such a huge amount of money in gold analysis also. So we have made it a very huge amount of money. Hope you have also made it guys. In natural gas also I have told you, if this is broken then you can up till here you can come along. Okay guys, what happened? This is the volatility. You can see here guys, volatility happened. After that it is broken, it has been reached. After that it goes on a consolidation only, not made a huge momentum. We have captured in a very huge momentum guys in gold and in the crude oil. You can see the crude oil in upside momentum also guys, in downside also. In upside this momentum what we have captured, in downside this is the first momentum what we have captured, this is the second momentum what we have captured. Whole momentum we have captured guys. And also in a gold guys, in a gold exactly that only happened what we have discussed guys. You can see here guys what we have discussed exactly. Just a second guys, sorry for it. Okay, exactly what happened, I have told you it will take resistance, came downside, exactly taken from here only resistance. You can see that this whole momentum we have captured guys, whole momentum. And this is the very huge momentum in the gold and the crude oil. Hope you have enjoyed this analysis, and you can check out my video also. I will give link in the description. That huge momentum we have captured. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95% guys. Hope you have captured this market and made a very huge amount of money. Okay guys, so we can see the analysis for next week, where the crude oil and commodities, all commodities gonna work. And let us see the where commodity gonna work for next week. Okay guys, we gonna see the where the commodity gonna work. This is the crude oil analysis guys. This will be act as a supporting area guys, and here is the trend line is going on. You can see here guys exactly like this. If we want that it gonna upside momentum, then it has to consolidate or broken from here, because this is the first time it gonna respect. So it maybe came downside and take support. Then you can see your first target easily, second target guys, two target you can easily reach. If this will made a upside momentum, then this will be the third target guys. Sorry, this will be the third target, and this will be the fourth and final target in upside momentum. Okay guys, now we can see for downside, if it will came downside and came something like this, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here, third target will be here, and our fourth target up till here you can exactly taken it downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for natural gas also. In natural gas huge momentum has been came downside guys. So I will just shift it. You can see here guys exactly taking resistance. If it wanted to come downside, right now it at a good place, we can keep our SL at this position and short it. And our first target will be somewhere here guys, this will be the second target guys. Okay guys, this will be the third target, and somewhere fourth target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside. If it wanted to move in upside momentum, then we can have to see that it has been our, just a second guys, this will be the first target, this will be the second, this will be the third, and our final fourth target guys. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that if some changes or something gap up gap down happen, so I will update you in the Telegram channel. You can check out that Telegram channel, link in the description also guys, you can check out there. Okay guys, in gold analysis guys, this will be the our base for right now. Okay guys, this will act as support and this will act as resistance for us. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that right now we can see here guys, this will be the trend line, something like this. Okay guys, so right now what I am thinking, it slowly take resistance and came downside somewhere here, or it will came downside. Let us talk about it. Our first target will be here, second target up till here. If this is broken, then we can go for third target, this will be the fourth target, and this will be the fifth and final target. Okay guys, if somewhere happened that it continuously goes on consolidation and broken here only, our first target will be here guys, second target will be up till here, third target up till here guys. Huge momentum will came from here only at this position, first position. This is the second thing what we can see. Okay guys, if it will came downside in consolidation only, what we have to see in downside momentum, if it will came and take resistance, then you can see the your first target, second target, this will be the as usual third target guys. Not a huge momentum expected in downside, but upside momentum, if this will consolidate and make a bigger momentum, then we can get the huge momentum in upside momentum also guys in gold. So hope you like this video guys, hope you enjoyed it, lot of things, and you have learned so much things in this. So hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you need like this more and more video, please subscribe my channel, like so I can get motivated and made like this video. If you have any queries guys, please comment me down. I am happy to help you guys. I am here for you to help it out guys. I am wanted that retail trader also do not lose their hard-earned money. That's why I have opened this channel guys. I am not open for the YouTube money or sort of things. So hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.